Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to add bass boost in Capcut. First of all, open up the Capcut app. After that, click on Video from Edit. Then click on the Audio option from the editing bar. From Audios, go into Sound. Now play a song from Vlogs and tap on the plus icon to add the song on your video. Play a video. This time the video is played with a song. Click on Song and delete the extra part of the song. Then tap on the Voice Effects option from the editing bar. Go into Retro and choose Megaphone Voice Effect. You can adjust the strength of your voice effect. Then click on Copy to make a copy of your voice effects. After that, drag the copied voice effect from the sides and place it under the original sound. You can make a copy of the sound and adjust it underneath the other sounds. Then play along with all the voices you've added. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.